Here we are, eating a biscuit for the first time. You got the biscuit there? Do you like that biscuit? Is that good? There's a biscuit. Here. Join it in. There you go. Is it good? You chew on that biscuit? Is that tasty? What do you think? Are you touching the camera? That's your biscuit. Here's your biscuit.
Say, no, Mommy, that's my biscotti.
Okay, this is retarded because the batteries are supposed to be fully charged. And they say that they're dying. That's a good biscuit, huh? That's good. You're making a mess. Someone's making a mess. Look at what a mess you're making. Is that good? Oh, look at that messy hand. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Oh, what a mess. What a mess. Look at that mess. Look at that messy face. Look at that messy face. What a mess. Oh, you're making a mess in the lap. See, that's what I do, Ma. That's what I'm gonna do. Make a big, big mess. Yeah. A big, big mess. Are we ready to get cleaned up? That was a tasty treat, huh? Say, all done. All done with our tasty treat. All done. Say bye-bye.